Welcome to our Rugged Edge Deep Dive. In this episode, we're exploring how industrial computers are powering the digital transformation revolution in manufacturing.
Exactly. We'll be diving into the major challenges manufacturers face today and how adopting Edge AI and Industry 4.0 applications alleviates these issues. At the heart of these next-gen applications are industrial computers.
Perfect. Let's start with the basics. We keep hearing about digital transformation in manufacturing, but what does that actually mean in practical terms?
Great question. At its core, digital transformation in manufacturing means leveraging Edge AI, Robotics, and Industry 4.0 applications to create smart factories. Industrial computers are the backbone that makes all of this possible.
What are the major challenges manufacturers are facing right now?
We've identified 4 critical challenges. First, declining productivity. Manufacturers are hitting capacity limits while demand continues to surge. Second, logistical bottlenecks in material handling and inventory management. Third, safety blind spots posing factory vulnerabilities. And fourth, production visibility gaps where manufacturers lack real-time operational insights.
Wow, I can't wait to learn more about how we're going to solve these challenges. Before we dive into solutions, help our listeners understand why regular computers won't cut it in these environments.
That's actually a common question I get. These factory environments are exposed to extreme temperatures, dust, and fluctuating power. Even the machinery requires specific connection types and can be space limited. A regular computer would not survive these conditions. Premier's industrial computers are built specifically for these harsh environments, with fanless cooling systems, reinforced enclosures, and IoT-centric connectivity. They have developed a robust portfolio of industrial computers because not all edge deployments have the same requirements.
Can you elaborate on that rugged portfolio approach?
Absolutely. Premier offers solutions optimized for specific deployments. Their RCO series handles real-time Edge AI in extreme environments, while their SIO series provides IP69K rated touchscreen interfaces for washdown environments. Each line is engineered for specific industrial challenges. There's no one-size-fits-all at the rugged edge.
That's incredible. Premio really knows their stuff in order to solve all these manufacturing challenges. Speaking of this, let's go through each challenge and its solution, starting with declining productivity.
As demand is rapidly increasing, manufacturers are struggling to match it with their current production capacity. Advanced robotic automation, machine vision quality inspection, and HMI integration are key technologies that make significant improvements to efficiency.
These cutting-edge technologies are truly revolutionary. Which Premio products are best suited to enable them?
For these AI-intensive applications, Premio's industrial GPU computers are the go-to solution. Their RCO 6000 and BCO 6000 series combine industrial-grade durability with the AI performance needed for advanced robotics. And when it comes to demanding quality control applications, the VCO 6000 series takes it even further with support for dual GPUs, delivering maximum AI processing power right on the factory floor.
And for HMI integration, Premio's touchscreen panel PCs are all designed to provide real-time insights for actionable decision-making and precise machine control, right?
That's correct. Now that you're catching on, what about the logistics bottleneck we mentioned? Can you elaborate on that?
Of course, manufacturers are struggling with massive logistic challenges right now. Even the largest facilities can't keep up with material handling demands, especially with the ongoing workforce shortage. That's where autonomous solutions like AGVs and AMRs come in. They are automating supply chain processes with 24/7 uptime and robust consistency. Premio's JCO series, powered by NVIDIA Jetson, gives these autonomous vehicles the Edge AI performance and IoT connectivity they need, all within a compact and fanless design that can handle the rigors of factory floors.
Not only is the JCO series utilized for automated logistics, it is also being leveraged for a safer factory. Could you explain how Industry 4.0 technologies are making manufacturing safer?
Certainly. Premio's JCO series is also a powerhouse for AI-powered surveillance, processing multiple camera feeds in real time to detect and alert potential safety issues before they become incidents. In addition, there are 3 scalable JCO models, from high-performance to ultra-compact versions, so manufacturers can select the perfect fit for their safety needs.
In addition to AI-powered surveillance, Premio even has a solution for power protection with their ECO 1000. This Supercap UPS solution addresses abrupt system disruptions during power outages, preventing sudden shutdowns and protecting mission-critical production continuity.
Lastly, how do control centers maintain visibility across all these systems?
This is where IoT Gateways shine. Premio has fanless mini-computers like the RCO 1000 and BCO 1000 series that act as the nervous system of the smart factory. By collecting and relaying mission-critical data to control centers, operators gain complete visibility across the entire facility, enabling data-driven decisions.
With all these advanced systems in place, how does a smart factory keep track of everything and ensure reliable communication?
Private 5G networks are the key. They provide the ultra-reliable, low-latency communication needed to connect hundreds of sensors and devices. The best part is that manufacturers can fine-tune these private networks to match their specific operational needs.
To wrap up, what are some final takeaways for manufacturers considering digital transformation?
Digital transformation isn't just about adopting new technology. It's about choosing the right solutions for your specific challenges. Premio's portfolio of rugged edge computers provides purpose-built solutions for every aspect of smart manufacturing, from automation and quality control to safety and real-time monitoring. The future of manufacturing is here, and it's powered by rugged edge computing.
To our listeners, thank you for reaching the end of this deep dive. If you would like to learn more, visit our website at premioinc.com and get in touch with one of our rugged edge experts.